What's up, guys? This is Alex with the Wise team at Texas Real Estate Executives. Today I want you to check out 2801 Fairway Oaks Lane in Longview, Texas. This is a 5,700 square foot, 4-bed, 4.5 bath. If you're looking to move out of the big city and into your dream home, East Texas may be the perfect place for you. Let's check it out. This is just one of the amazing properties that you'll find here in Longview. In East Texas, your money goes a lot further. And here at the Wise team, we've got a fresh perspective at everything that makes this market a special place and why so many people are moving to the area. We're here when you're ready. See you next time.